All Your Perfects by Colleen Hoover, a heartbreaking yet beautiful love story. Colleen Hoover's All Your Perfects is a poignant exploration of love, marriage, and the challenges that threaten to unravel even the strongest of bonds. This compelling novel weaves together themes of imperfection, vulnerability, and the endurance of love, making it a must-read for anyone who believes in the power of love to heal and transform. Summary of All Your Perfects. The story unfolds through the dual perspectives of past and present, capturing the journey of Quinn and Graham, a couple whose love story is both beautiful and fraught with challenges. The novel opens with a chance encounter that sparks a deep connection between the two. They meet outside an apartment, both heartbroken from their respective relationships, and this serendipitous meeting lays the foundation for an intense and passionate love affair. As the narrative oscillates between the past and the present, readers witness the evolution of Quinn and Graham's relationship. The past chapters are filled with moments of joy and love, depicting the couple's early days when their love was new and full of promise. These moments are juxtaposed with the present, where the couple is struggling to cope with the harsh realities of infertility and the emotional distance that has grown between them. Infertility becomes a central theme in their marriage, acting as a silent antagonist that exacerbates their insecurities and fears. Quinn, in particular, is consumed by feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt, believing that her inability to conceive is a personal failure. Her internal struggle is poignantly portrayed, capturing the emotional turmoil that many women experience in similar circumstances. Graham, on the other hand, grapples with his own frustrations and helplessness, struggling to support Quinn while dealing with the strain that infertility places on their marriage. Their once passionate relationship becomes a battleground of unspoken words and suppressed emotions, threatening to tear them apart. Key learnings from All Your Perfects. The imperfection of love. One of the most profound messages in All Your Perfects is that love is inherently imperfect. Colleen Hoover masterfully illustrates that true love is not about having perfect moments, but about accepting and cherishing each other despite imperfections. The novel reminds readers that it's the flawed, messy parts of a relationship that often hold the most beauty and truth. Communication is crucial. The book highlights the importance of open and honest communication in a relationship. Quinn and Graham's struggles are exacerbated by their inability to communicate their fears and desires effectively. This serves as a powerful reminder that silence and assumptions can be detrimental, and that meaningful dialogue is essential for resolving conflicts and maintaining intimacy. Coping with infertility. All Your Perfects offers a sensitive portrayal of the emotional and psychological impact of infertility on a couple. Through Quinn's journey, Hoover provides insight into the grief and isolation that many experience, emphasizing the need for empathy, understanding, and support from partners and loved ones. The power of forgiveness. Forgiveness emerges as a central theme, underscoring the necessity of forgiving both oneself and one's partner for past mistakes. The novel illustrates how holding onto resentment and guilt can poison a relationship, while forgiveness can pave the way for healing and reconciliation. The role of patience and resilience. The story of Quinn and Graham is a testament to the power of patience and resilience in overcoming life's challenges. Despite the pain and setbacks, their journey demonstrates that enduring love requires patience, and that resilience can help couples weather even the toughest storms. Understanding personal worth. Through Quinn's character, the novel explores the concept of self-worth and the dangers of equating personal value with external factors such as fertility. It encourages readers to recognize their intrinsic worth, independent of societal or personal expectations. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.